Living in a vibrant community like Carencro means enjoying the best of both worlds: friendly neighbors, convenient amenities, and a lively local atmosphere. But with that activity often comes an unwanted companion: noise. Whether it's traffic from nearby roads, early morning lawn care, or weekend gatherings, exterior noise can easily find its way inside and disrupt your home's comfort. That's where noise-reducing door installation comes in. Modern, high-performance doors are designed to block sound, improve insulation, and create a calmer, quieter environment. For homeowners in busy Carencro neighborhoods, investing in these doors is more than a luxury, it's a lifestyle upgrade that improves daily living. Creating a peaceful indoor environment. Noise pollution can significantly affect comfort and well-being. Studies have shown that excessive noise can increase stress, disturb sleep, and even impact focus. In Carencro's more active residential areas, that means your front or patio door plays a bigger role than you might think. Noise-reducing doors feature specialized insulation materials and multi-layered construction that block sound waves from entering your home. With features like solid core materials such as fiberglass or insulated steel, tight weather stripping to seal gaps and prevent sound leakage, acoustic glazing or laminated glass options for added sound protection. These design elements combine to create a barrier that drastically reduces outdoor noise, turning your home into a haven of peace and quiet. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. One of the lesser-known advantages of noise-reducing doors is that they also improve energy efficiency. The same qualities that block sound, insulation layers, secure seals, and advanced materials, also help regulate indoor temperatures. During hot Louisiana summers, your air conditioning system won't need to work as hard to keep your home cool, and in the winter, the warmth stays inside where it belongs. This means lower energy bills and more consistent comfort throughout the year. Homeowners in Carencro can particularly benefit from this, given the area's humid climate and temperature fluctuations. A noise-reducing door is essentially an energy-saving, sound-blocking shield, all in one upgrade. Added privacy for active households. If you live in a lively neighborhood or near a main street, privacy can sometimes be a concern. Noise-reducing doors not only limit how much sound enters your home but also contain noise from within. This makes them perfect for families with young children or pets, home offices where focus and quiet are essential, entertainment spaces where soundproofing adds to the experience. By keeping conversations, music, and daily activity sounds from escaping outside, you'll enjoy greater privacy and minimize disturbances to your neighbors. Enhancing curb appeal with modern-style noise-reducing doors aren't just functional, they're also beautiful. Homeowners no longer have to choose between style and performance. Today's options come in a wide range of designs, finishes, and materials to match any home aesthetic. From sleek contemporary fiberglass doors to timeless wooden designs with insulated glass panels, you can find a model that complements your home's architecture while delivering superior noise control. Many Carencro homeowners are upgrading their entryways not just for peace and comfort but also to elevate their home's visual appeal and value. A smart investment in home value. Replacing an old door with a modern, noise-reducing one is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. Buyers appreciate the combination of comfort, efficiency, and security that these doors provide. In addition to noise reduction and energy savings, most models also offer enhanced security features, such as reinforced locks and impact-resistant materials, a valuable benefit for peace of mind in any neighborhood. The importance of professional installation. Even the best noise-reducing doors can't perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure the door fits precisely within its frame, creating a tight seal that prevents gaps where sound or air could escape. Carencro homeowners should work with local professionals who understand Louisiana's unique weather conditions and can recommend the most effective, durable materials. Proper installation ensures long-lasting results, both in noise control and overall home comfort. Final thoughts for busy Carencro neighborhoods. Noise-reducing door installation is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a smart investment in comfort, privacy, and peace of mind. These advanced doors enhance your home's appearance, efficiency, and livability while providing a welcome escape from the sounds of daily life. Whether you're relaxing after work, spending time with family, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, a noise-reducing door lets you experience true tranquility right at home.